Welcome! If you've ever wanted to find every comment you've left on old Instagram posts using your PC, this guide is for you. With Instagram's latest update, tracking your entire comment history is now simpler than ever. Let's walk through each step so you can easily review, revisit, or even clean up your past interactions. First, open the Instagram app on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main page, look to the left-hand side of your screen for the menu panel. Click on the menu icon to expand your options. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to manage your Instagram activity. Next, from the expanded menu, select the option labeled Your Activity. This section acts as a hub for everything you've done on Instagram, from posts you've liked to comments you've left. Inside your activity, you'll see a list of different activity types. Look for the section called Interactions and click on it. Within the Interactions section, you'll find several options, but what you're looking for is Comments. Click on Comments, and Instagram will instantly display a list of every comment you've made, organized from newest to oldest. This makes it incredibly easy to scroll through your entire comment history, whether you're searching for something you wrote recently or a comment from years ago. If you're looking for a specific comment, you can use the Sort and Filter options at the top of the page. Choose a date range or filter by post, making it effortless to pinpoint exactly what you need. When you find the comment you're looking for, simply click on it to jump straight to the original post. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can now view, sort, and manage your entire Instagram comment history right from your PC. Whether you want to revisit an old conversation, delete something you no longer want visible, or just keep track of your interactions, these steps have you covered. Thanks for joining me today. Enjoy exploring your Instagram history and stay tuned for more helpful tips.